How to share Netflix account with friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can share Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you have a Netflix account and then you want to share them with your friends. You can't just add access like you do it for YouTube accounts and so on. The only way you can share your Netflix account on your friends is by simply sharing your email and password. So if you want your friends to also watch Netflix, you have to give them the email and password, and there is no other way. But what you can do is, after you give them the email and password, you can actually create separate profiles for each of these. So you can create profile 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 profiles, and then you can give each profile a separate name, and users or your friends can simply watch from their own profile without accessing other people's profile. But as I said, they need the email and password to do so. This way you can share your Netflix account with friends. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.